Hello everyone, welcome back to my science and math channel. I previously and currently am uploading my factorial functions video, which I just filmed, and this is the first out of the 3. Now you can click any of them right at this current moment and visit them in a separate tab, but I recommend seeing the factorial functions one first because you're going to need to know that in order to solve for permutation and combination. So this video is going to currently be on permutations. Now permutations have one step less than the combination, so we're just going to go with that one. So permutation is something that has to have an order. Has to have an order. Let's say the question's asking you, out of 15 pairs of shoes, Joanna wanted 3 sparkly shoes, or something very specific. It's not just asking for any of them, it's asking for a specific one. So a permutation, let's say Joanna has 15 shoes and she needs 3 like sparkle shoes, so SS. So out of her 15 shoes, she has 3 sparkle shoes, okay? So because it is a permutation, permutation starts with the P, so it sounds and is pretty logical to make sure that in our equation, the main and center item would be a P. So that stands for permutation. Now we will have a number on this side and this side. Our number on our left is generally the larger number, and it's the most that we have. And the one on our right is usually the smaller one and the one we are looking for. So I'm going to write 15 right here for our 15 complete like shoes that we have in general, and the 3 for the 3 sparkle shoes. Now for permutation, you do 15 factorial all over 15 minus 3 factorial. And this sort of just looks like this. Now, a good way of remembering how to set up a permutation is to know that the one on the left is kind of like our alpha number. It's greater than that one, so anything greater than that one is going to be on the top. And we're trying to find what's in between the permutation. So we're just going to subtract them to find what's in the middle. It's kind of like a monkey in the middle. We're going from here to find here. And that's sort of how I remember it and learn it. And so we're going to solve for this problem. So we have for 15, and as you saw in my last video and you know what factorials are, it's just the number times it by itself and all the ones descending down to 1. So 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 10, and we can keep going. But when you subtract these, 15 minus 3, that's 12. Sometimes 11 and then all the way. Wait. Yeah, so we actually didn't even need those extra ones because this is equal to 12 factorial. Now it'd be 12 times 11 times 10. And something I'm going to teach you right now is that, let's say, ends at 12 and times anything below, it's the same as that. So they will just equal 1 because they're over each other. So our answer is just going to be 15 times 14 times 13. So whatever 15 times 14 times 13 is equal to, that is our answer. And it's just our leftover numbers. So it's very, very simple to remember how to solve for our lovely, beautiful permutation questions. I'm going to do one more quick one with you guys. Let's say Judy had 5 gloves and needed 2 golden gloves. Let's solve for that. So we have our, and she needed them to be lined up in some order. I don't know, they're usually way more specific than combination. Like they will tell you specific thing about what you're looking for, and that's how you know it's a permutation. So again, lovely old P, and then we are going to write our largest number here, which is our 5, and our smallest here, because generally that's what you're looking for, what you have over what you want, pretty much, because that's not over, it's next to. So we're going to play monkey in the middle, remember? Our, biggest number on top. And then we're going to solve for the monkey. Don't forget the exclamation mark on the outside of the parentheses. So this is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. All over, what's 5 minus 2? 3. 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1. These cross out. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 20 is our answer. So I hope these questions are helping you out solving for, permutations. And make sure you check out my previous video, which was all on factorials. And I hope this video helped, and I will catch you in my next video. Make sure you leave any questions down below, or you can visit my bio, which is on my main page, and you can email me, blog me, just do any of that sort of stuff. Until the next video, goodbye.